Ingrown nails removed without operation by just following these simple steps. Nails are very delicate, and you need to be careful, especially when you trim them, because if you do it wrong way you can increase the risk of ingrown nails. This condition can cause very serious complications, and surgery may be the only one solution for this problem. When the problem is in the early stages, you can do safe treatment in your home only by one simple treatment. Following few simple steps you can easily help your nail to grow right, and it will grow away from the meat and will not cause inflammations and irritations. How to remove ingrown nails? You can do the treatment in the safety of your home. It is easy and effective, and all you need to do is follow these simple steps. Foot bath. First wash your feet and then place them in a hot bath that you previously prepared following these instructions. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda in 5 liters of warm water that is up to 37 degrees Celsius. Soak in your feet and keep them in the bath water for about 20 minutes so that they soften. You can use potassium permanganate instead of baking soda that you can prepare following the instructions on the package. Pull away the nail. Try to remove the angle of the ingrown nail away from the meat. You can reach the angle of the nail easier if you try to remove the meat, and you can do that with a bandage. Stick the bandage with one side on the toe next to the ingrown nail and pull aside, sticking it to the inner side of the nail. Apply gauze. Pull up the corner of the nail with small stick and slowly apply a piece of gauze between the nail and the meat tissue. You need to soak the gauze in iodine first. Cover the toe. Soak a piece of gauze in iodine and cover the toe, and then wrap it up with a bandage. Repeat the treatment. You need to repeat the treatment in 24 hours. If you do this treatment regularly for 2 weeks, your toenail will slowly lift up and separate from the meat and start to grow normally. You will no longer feel pain because of the inflamed spots. Prevention. To prevent appearance of ingrown nail, be careful when you trim your nails. Never go deeper down to the meat, but cut them in a straight line over the meat, and you will not have this kind of problems.